Second type of evidence is the documentary evidence. It refers to the written, recorded, or printed materials presented to the court to prove or disprove facts. This can include contracts, official records, letters, photographs, videos, and electronic evidence. So, mauni ang mga sulat, apil diri ang kontrata, mga unsang klase mga bisan unsang mga kasabutan nga gisulat o gi-record, no? Maskin papel-papel ra na sa notebook, apil na sa documentary evidence. How about electronic evidence? Electronic evidence such as CCTV footage nga nagapakita sa aksyon sa akusado during the crime is also included. Alright? Videos sa cellphone can also be included as part of electronic evidence and considered as a documentary evidence. So example, let's go to a civil case instead of a criminal case, okay? A signed contract in a breach of agreement. Merong agreement, may kasabutan. For example, a company presents a signed contract showing the terms violated by the defendant in a business dispute. For example, you are an employee of a company. In your terms of the contract, you are given access to very sensitive information, confidential information. And then you leak that information to their competitor such that the competitor became richer. All right. So the contract that you violated, which is to keep that secret kept within the company, and then you reveal that through social media, or you shared it, or you even sold it, that's a breach of contract. What if the case is forgery? Pag forgery, ano yung nangyayari? Ano nangyari sa isang forgery? Ipeke ang signature. Now, let us say there is a contract, a deed of sale. May-ari yung tatay nyo ng lupa. Tapos, binagulat na lang kayo, hala, ibaligya na daw ang yuta sa akong papa. Gikan pa na sa among lolo. And then, you check the document, you saw, this is not the signature of my father in the deed of sale. So, you filed the case against the buyer. You said that this, the signature is fake because your father's signature has been forged. So, be careful, huh? There's a difference between the object inside the document and the document itself is the evidence. Usually, in documentary evidence, it is the terms of the contract, yung nakasulat, yung mga agreements. Another example of documentary evidence is footage in a crime scene investigation. So a video recording showing the accused committing the crime is submitted as evidence. So for example, may robbery with force upon things, binuksan ang bintana, pumasok sa loob ng tindahan. Buti na lang may CCTV sa labas at sa loob. And the accused was caught on camera, no? Showing that it was him stealing. Nakita pa ang mukha niya, katawan niya, kita yung belt niya. And he was identified by a witness to that video who also knows the accused. So, the video, when offered in court, that is considered as a documentary evidence. So, this will allow the judge to watch the video, see how it unfolds, and linking the defendant to the scene.